merci, merci क्यों हुआ? merci क्यों नहीं हो सकता? Tell me.
Merci.
Who told you R gives you a sound of kh?
Sir, while I was studying certificate,
Mm-hmm.
so sir, since now I never pronounce R.
Actually, I'm having food and I'm having class. तो देखो खाना खाते टाइम ना जोक नहीं करते,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? Bonjour, madame. So let me first of all, bonjour, madame. Vous êtes là? Allô?
Oh, oui, oui,
Oui.
oui, Pankaj.
Alors,
Bonjour.
bonjour. Alors, tout d'abord, alors, il s'appelle, il y a un autre étudiant aussi. Il s'appelle Monsieur Mirza Gulzar. Et Monsieur Mirza Gulzar, elle s'appelle, elle est très intelligente. Je viens de corriger sa copie.
Vraiment
Et
pas.
pas vraiment. Pas, ok.
Okay,
Un instant, un
pas
instant.
vraiment.
Oh, un instant, un instant. So, Mirza ji, you just said instead of merci, you said merci. Now tell me one thing. Comment tu t'appelles?
Je m'appelle Mirza Gulzar.
Pourquoi Mirza Gulzar et pourquoi pas Mirza Gulzar?
Ah, mais quand là quelqu'un natif va prononcer mon nom, il va dire Mirza.
No, 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 no. Rest assured, he will never do this mistake. Now, tell me one thing. Suppose someone's name is Rakesh. Then the person will call him Rakesh or Rakesh.
Rakesh.
है ना? Now listen. In French language, always remember, there are certain areas where you will going to pronounce R as kh or kh. Alright, it's not proper kh. Alright, it's alright. I'm sorry for making this sound, but we do this now. Alright, so it's very minor. Alright, suppose this is the intensity of kh. Then जो हम करते हैं वो इस लेवल पे जाके आप ओवर कर दीजिए एंड देन दिस विल गिव यू अ प्रॉपर एक्सेंट. But there is a very small exception. There is a very small exception. R. Whenever you need to pronounce R in during your exam, or let's say during your Delf B2 exam, or in your TCF or TEF exam, never do this mistake of pronouncing R as kh. Never. All right. In case of a doubt, just instead of r, just say merci. All right. There are two sounds. Understood? एक तो र होता है और एक होता है र. Understood? Both of you understood or
Oui.
not?
Oui,
Yes,
oui,
yes, yes, yes.
So the real pronunciation is merci. Okay. I don't know if you have checked, Mirza. I uploaded a video of Emmanuel Macron on my channel.
oui,
Et à la fin de cette vidéo-là, tu vas observer,
oui.
il dit merci. Je vous remercie tout. He never say je vous remercie. Remercie. He never say merci. Understood? Remercie.
Oui.
So it is a proof